Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by installing Wallpaper Engine because it handles custom live wallpapers efficiently. Open Steam, purchase, or install the app, then run it once to let it register file associations. While it launches, make sure your GPU drivers are current and your display resolution is correct. This prevents performance issues. Once done, choose the Workshop or Import option to add a file. You need admin permission for system-level installs, so grant it when prompted to avoid interruptions and ensure smooth setup. Now you import or build the wallpaper. Click Import and choose the folder, file, or a compressed package. Alternatively, browse the Steam Workshop and subscribe. After the asset appears, open its properties to set playback quality and an FPS cap to match your performance goals so the system won't lag. Make sure to configure multi-monitor behavior if you have more than one display, and toggle audio or mouse interaction features to prevent distractions when you're working or gaming. Finally, apply the wallpaper and verify it runs full screen or across displays as intended. Observe CPU and GPU load. If you see stuttering, reduce visual quality, lower the FPS limit, or disable audio to save resources. If the wallpaper won't import or play, run Wallpaper Engine as administrator and temporarily disable antivirus, because security tools can block file access. If problems persist, restart Windows to clear graphics driver states, then retest. This sequence resolves most issues and leaves you with a stable live desktop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.